how to make avatar on Facebook. So if you want to make an avatar on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can just simply go and select your account and make sure to log into your Facebook account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and you need to scroll down, and here you may have avatar option. But if you don't find the option, then you may also have that option on your profile. You can go with your profile and you can add your avatar right here from your profile, or you can also just go with your search and then you can simply search for avatar, and here you will have avatars section. So you just need to simply tap on it, and you can go with edit your avatar or create your avatar. After that, you can just go with the creating section. You can select the face, the hair, eyes, outfit, and more. And after selecting, you can go with the next, which will be on the bottom right, and then you can select your pose and your sticker, and after that go with save, which will be on the top right, and your avatar will be saved. That's how you can make your avatar on your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.